So on this short episode, we load up the Boston Whaler Montauk 170 with the family and we head out to the Crystal River grass flats. Let's see how the scallops are this season. Either way, we're just blessed to be here together as a family. I took this drone footage just to give you an idea of how many boats come out here for this weekend. Scallop season runs in this area, which is in Citrus County near Crystal River, runs through September 24th. But this is opening weekend. It opens July 1st, 4th of July weekend, and this is when most people come out. There will be way more boats out here today, as you can see, in the next few days than there will in the weekends to come. The thunderstorms started rolling in the distance, so we had to cut this day short, at least for the scallop diving part of it. We headed back up the river and stopped off at a waterfront restaurant for appetizers. We had a really great day out there, but we only ended up with 17 scallops. That's our bucket full. So we're back at it, having fun on day 2, and we get 115 scallops on this day. Not too bad. This is what they look like up close. You just reach down and pick them up. The majority of these boats are anchored in somewhere between 4 and 8 feet of water. The bottom is very grassy with a few sand patches here and there. Here are the season dates around Florida, and this is where we were. So if you're watching this before September 24th, it's not too late. Get out there, get you guys some scallops, and have some good old family fun on the water. And that's going to do it for this episode with the Outdoors with Rich. We really appreciate you guys watching. Please consider giving the channel a thumbs up. It really helps us out a lot. And until the next adventure, God bless.